So what is an estate plan? I get that question a lot. And quite simply, an estate plan is really a plan that covers all the different contingencies for what might happen if a person becomes incapacitated or what would happen if they pass away. And an estate plan is going to answer certain questions like who's in charge? Who's going to make the distributions? Who's going to make financial and legal decisions on your behalf if you can't make them for yourself? It's also going to answer questions like who gets what and when. But it really does just cover more than who gets what. And it really is more than just a stack of documents. It really is your legacy. It's really your opportunity to be able to share with the people you care about really specifically what you would want to see happen if you weren't there to make it happen yourself. If you weren't able to make the decisions, what would you want your loved ones to know? There's many different components that make up an estate plan. There's usually a will. Oftentimes there's also a trust. Usually there's a financial power of attorney, and usually also a healthcare power of attorney. And if you have minor children, then we need to make sure we name guardians of who's going to raise your kids if you're not able to. In our estate plans here at Morgan Law Group, there's also a legacy component, and there's different ways that we incorporate that. But one of the main ways is by having a legacy conversation that we do an audio recording. And it's meant to be about a 20 to 30 minute conversation where we walk you through some questions and we do an audio recording of why you put this estate plan in place. So simply put, an estate plan is a plan for what would happen if something unexpected happened. And it's really your way of making sure that we don't leave things to chance and that we don't leave things to a judge who doesn't know us and doesn't know our family, but that we are really able to put what our specific wishes are in writing to make sure that those would be accomplished.